Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to check monetization on your Facebook page. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to sign into your Facebook account. Once you log into your Facebook account, you simply select the page in which you want to check your monetization. So once you are there, you click on the link icon. Simple erase. You write. After that, you type in Creator Studio. Once you are done with typing Creator Studio, you click on Enter. So it is automatically going to take you to your Facebook page dashboard. So once you are there, you can see monetization. So after that, you click on monetization. So this is it. So guys, this is it. These are my various pages. So thank you for watching.